Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Cash App card without QR code. First, open your Cash App and tap the Cash Card tab at the bottom of your screen. Then select Activate Cash Card. Next, instead of scanning a QR code, choose the option Use CVV instead, or enter card details manually. Here, you'll type in the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV found on your card. Once you've entered the details, tap Activate and your card will be ready to use. You can now deposit money or start making payments. And that's it. That's how to activate Cash App card without QR code. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.